Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's that point of the week where we continue to build our crypto portfolio, starting with just $100, dollar cost averaging each week. Let's go. So we're going to start here and look at our current portfolio, which stands at $1,538.06. We're down 14.72% at the time of recording. That's down $265.45. Again, not really too concerned. We're going through that volatility stage that we did predict. 19 months ago, we were talking about a Fed pivot, a crash in crypto and stocks in Q3 2024. So everything's on track. We're expecting, some bullish momentum after the Fed pivots. Might not be straight away, as the market will be very volatile this month as we head into that Fed pivot. And, the market's trying to price in all of the stuff that is happening around the world right now. And I think that they're going to fail to do that in an accurate way, which means we're going to see some volatility. So, if you're trading, be careful out there. It's definitely worth making sure that you've got good risk management. But the portfolio, top of the list is Chainlink. We've got a total of 322.95 worth of Chainlink. We got Ethereum second on the list at $294 worth, Solana at $220, Divinity at $167, Injective Protocol $133, Polygon at $106, Internet Computer at $80, Stacks at $70, Avalanche at $51, and Bitcoin at $32. So we've got 11 projects in the portfolio. Obviously, we've got the likes of 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗏 to add once it goes live, probably the beginning of 2025, that we kind of anticipate that one's likely to go live, and then we'll add $200 worth of 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗏 to this portfolio. So not all the altcoins are in here just because some haven't gone live. Obviously, join up to Secret Crypto Club. Join us in the free Discord to find out more about that, where you can get into early stage projects. There's some really good sales happening. We've got one for Ion right now, which is definitely worth digging into. That's for certain. But look, let's get into what we're going to be purchasing for this week. So first of all, we're going to be adding some more Chainlink. It is up 2.43% at the time of recording, but it is still only $10.84. I think that this is an absolute steal when you consider, oracles are literally, what's going to, bring in mainstream adoption. Don't get me wrong, I still think we're missing this privacy layer that, will bring in way more adoption than we're currently getting. But, there's stages to this. But oracles are required for, real world asset tokenization. Everything's going to go through oracles. Everything is going to pretty much go through Chainlink and, maybe one or two of their competitors. But Chainlink are the dons. They are the ones that are market leaders in the oracle space, being utilized by the likes of JP Morgan for testing and so on. So there's an awful lot that, Chainlink's got. And if it isn't broken, many people don't realize this, but it's really difficult to move a customer from one product to another, like from one business to another business, especially if things aren't broken and everything's working as it should. If it's, at least meeting expectations or exceeding expectations, and a new player comes along, it's very difficult for that new player to get market share unless there's fundamental issues with the service that's being provided, or you're getting significant discounts. And to be honest, I just don't think that that's something that's going to really impact Chainlink. They don't seem to have any technical issues. They seem to be doing everything that they say they can do. So everything that's on the tin's being delivered. And for me, that says everything. So I think Chainlink, with first mover advantage, with the level of integrations that they've got, they're definitely going to be right up there. So let's go buy some Chainlink now. We're on 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧𝗏. There is a link in the description of the video. Some great opportunities to get some earn some additional crypto USDT through signing up with our link and depositing and trading on 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗧𝗏. So definitely worth checking that out. We're going to look for link. We're going to find it against USDT. We also have loads of tutorial guides on how to use these exchanges on Cheeky Crypto. So go check out the main channel there. We're going to go to market. We're going to be buying Chainlink. We're going to buy 50%, which is $55 worth, right, of Chainlink. We're going to click buy and then to go through. So we just purchased Chainlink. That's really great. Perfect that we've done that. Now, the next altcoin that I am going to be adding is Avalanche. You know, like I've recently done some videos on Cheeky Crypto regarding Avalanche and its underlying technology. I definitely think that it's worth digging into that. And I don't know if I actually shared my screen. I don't think I did. But yeah, I just purchased Chainlink. I'll show you the order in a moment. If we actually go over to it, it's $10.80. 3.2. So yeah, just be aware of that. Then we got obviously Avalanche going to be purchasing some of this. I mentioned obviously I've done some videos on the Cheeky Crypto channel talking about Avalanche. The technology is amazing, right? And the way they've constructed their their ecosystem, again, it's set up to deliver, and it's a really solid project. And I do think that actually at the moment it's massively undervalued. I've been talking about this project since 2020. I've always been really bullish on it, but actually looking at it, it had to be added into the portfolio, and I really want to build that position. So we're going to add, even though it's slightly higher than what we originally bought in the last video that we did. So we're going to find AVAX now. Again, I just think that this is a still. I think both of these projects are a still, in all honesty. So we're going to buy it at market price. We're going to buy $58 worth of this. We click buy. We're going to click confirm, and there we have it. We've purchased it. So let's go to our orders now. We can see that we bought AVAX at 23.9. We bought 2.4321 worth. We're going to copy that. We're going to stick it straight into our portfolio now. Coin. This was AVAX, wasn't it? So we'll find Avalanche, the amount that we purchased. We're going to pop that in there, and then we're going to save it. And then we go back to the exchange, and we can see we bought 5.1549 Chainlink at $10.834. We're going to add that into our portfolio as well. We look for link. Chainlink, we add that in there. The amount that we purchased, which is 5.1549. Click save. So there we have it. Chainlink, we now have $378.02, and we can see that Avalanche has moved up significantly now. We have $109.32. So really positive stuff. We're now down 13.98% for the portfolio, standing at 1,649.38. This will actually get a bit of a pump once the 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗀 project goes live, because I do think there's going to be some significant gains for 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗀. And I think that might actually really help out our crypto portfolio. But let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. What would you have added to your portfolio if you were building one for the future? I think this is a really solid portfolio with some really great projects, and I think once the bull run actually kicks off heading into 2025, we're going to see significant gains. But let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Obviously, this is not financial advice. If you follow along, you do so at your own risk. Crypto is a very volatile market. You do risk losing all of your money, so never over invest, and make sure you do your own research. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.